Do you know this bird? It's magpie. Magpies are common in Australia. Every spring in Australia, magpies become very protective of their nests. They'll attack anyone who comes too close. They dive at people's heads, trying to scare them away from their babies. Magpies aim for your face, but magpies aren't evil, they're just protecting their young. But during nesting season, it's important to be careful. Stay alert and give these birds their space. Subscribe for more wildlife stories.